Actually, I am the one who applied for myself. So my parents and I decided, okay, they want me to go to take a short exchange program. So then we decided, like in 2023, December, I left Cambodia and then I go to Canada. I do learn a lot. I can say that the first one is I meet a lot of people from different countries, and I also join a international community where other people get to experience exchanging their study as well. And on the other hand, I think I involve in different kind of community volunteer activity as well, like going to some events, joining the fashion show, be a assistance for some events like that.
Okay,
and
so
I
there's
love
a
to do
lot.
that.